every day is a challenge for me. They already set up a schedule, however, there's a lot of activities for us to do, like packing. We need to refurbish a mosque, and for me, I never painted, so I did chat. I did paint the mosque, so that's accomplished. And also to have a group of kids together, playing with them and eating with them, and they are very appreciative with our work. We all take for granted for, like we can have anything we want, and then for them it's just like once in a lifetime, or maybe once in a few months, to have those really nice food to have.